Hello everyone, Mr. Engine 88 here, and today we're doing another Thomas Wayne Railway review on Winston. Winston is Sir Topham Hatt's track inspection vehicle and its private mode of transportation on the Northwestern Railway. It has a square face, and the face is great. I like it, and it's painted red and has the golden nameplate Winston. Even though on the box it says Winston, so Topham Hatt is also included, who is on Winston right now. And I found the face pretty weird because, well, the eyes and the nose and the mouth are painted red, which is pretty strange. I'm not sure why they do that. And Winston has some great details, and the wheels are very different and smaller, which is very interesting. And also on the box it says that it's real wood, but Winston is made of wood and plastic. There's some parts that are plastic. There's even that small window there. I think it's made out of hard plastic, I don't know. My Winston is dated 2012, which makes sense since the Blue Mountain Mystery movie just came out in 2012, and Winston was in it. When I bought this model of Winston, it's just my model, and if you look at the back, you can see some strange lines right there. I'm not sure where that come from. I just recently bought it, and if anyone can tell me about that, please let me know. And on the back of the box, Winston have gray outlining wheels, which is pretty interesting. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.